Here I go, boys.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 up to 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right?
This is what I got, $70 at Walmart. We're blowed up.
Microwave? But that's a microwave. You can't tell me that's not a microwave.
It's not a microwave.
And it's got the numbers to punch in.
1 minute. So I locked my key in my safe, so the only thing I got is fireworks. So I'm trying to blow it open. Gold bars. How much carat? 3 carats of gold. We need to get in there. Maybe a firecracker would work.
Call
I need another one. Maybe we need something bigger. Get a tank.
That's just gonna hit.
Hey, I told you I brought a tank.
That's just gonna hit the ball.
I didn't expect that.
Call it.
This'll get it. Wait a minute. This ain't a good idea. We need to move it. This way no forest fire will happen. If a tank won't do it and a race car won't do it, freaking Venom. Oh, frick. Oh! 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 Oh, yeah, get it. Oh my God. Yes! Oh! Suck that bottle rocket. How that look?
Ride with me if you ride.
I might want to move. Oh my, what the hell? What the frick?
I think we know by now. If it's got this long of a fuse,
It's gonna blow.
the frig away.
Suck them nuts, am I right? That's pretty cool. Wait, there's batteries in it.
Oh God, there is, ain't there?
Yeah.
Hold on, let's do it while it's on fire. Let's do it while it's on fire.
Don't try this at home. Adult supervision was used. Oh heck no! I ain't getting the heck out. Oh gosh, man. Oh, I smell batteries. Dang. We should have brought a bucket of water.
Oh, it's a lot of dookie, dude.
That's what I mean. Oh, heck no. What are you doing, you crackhead? Oh, aim the freaking thing! Oh. There you go. Attaboy. That's what I'm talking about. Shoot that son gun. It's out. Maybe the parachute man will work, you think?
Gosh, you can see our shadows.
Oh my God! Whoa, what the frick just happened? I found him. What the heck are they doing? Oh my gosh. Boys, what we got here, this is it. They're having church. Oh, I kind of feel bad, I'm not gonna lie.
All right, let's go.
Here I go, boys. Wish me luck. Shoot me in the face! I feel horrible, dude. At least get it open?
No.
Preacher, whatever his name is freaking having a heart attack.
He ain't having a heart attack.
I was drinking an energy drink. He was thinking I was drinking a beer. I was holding a freaking BB gun looking like a real dang Glock.
You'll be all right.
I can't go to church
We
next
have
Sunday.
to.
It's a good idea. We're almost.
Oh, they're right there.
Oh yeah, baby.
Are we in?
One more for extra measure. Yeah. Dude. Earbuds. This one's still good. We did it, boys. The fireworks worked. We broke it open. Stay tuned for part 2 when we break in another safe. Thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed me of us abusing this safe. And yeah. Peace. So I locked my keys in the safe, and the only thing I got is fireworks. So we're gonna try to blow it open and get my gold. Is it locked?
Yes, it's locked.
I bought Twinkies. This is like the awkward edits, you know. You guys know what I'm talking about? No, it'll make sense.
Hold it with your finger on there the whole time.
Why?
I like it.
The camera's being attacked by a fly right now. What should I do?
If you aim for the numbers, you'll never ever get in there. It's to that point blank.
Cole, I don't think.
I think we can break that. Y'all got a sledgehammer?
If you can't get in it, then how you gonna blow it up?
I'm gonna try to break the door open with fireworks. Do you understand? Heck,
Yeah.
This is gonna be like clips, you know? And pick up the log and smash it.
POV,
And
your script video.